guys, so we are in Port Benidorm Hotel, which is, if you know Benidorm, it's behind the Burger King and McDonald's. You will notice that this light is on at the moment. And why is that light on? Because that is an emergency light. That only comes on when the power's off. And typical, I'm an electrician, I'm on holiday, and there's a power cut. I hope the builders next door have not gone through a cable and we're not going to have power for the whole of the holiday. I'm going to have to find another hotel. So these are the lifts. We have reception. Don't know what that means, but I think it means it's not working. So, 7 flights of stairs, here we come. Power cut update. It's bigger than we thought. Just spoke to reception and they said it's not just our hotel, there's a couple more hotels. He said the whole of Spain, France and Portugal are out.
It's on Sky News.
It's on Sky News. Oh, what? Can you get a screenshot of that?
Yeah. Oh, yep.
So we're in Benidorm. It's a power cut. Great video. Don't know what we're going to do for food. Wow. Okay, what are we going to do then? What are we going to do?
Jesus Christ.
I've never known anything like it. But it's
surely they can still pour wine from the bottles.
I'll blame Trump. It's got to be Trump, isn't it? Wow. Can't believe it, I'm speechless. We're going to have to do another video in a minute. None of the shops have any power, so what are we going to do? God knows. This supermarket, which is down the front of Levante Beach, they're about to close up. There's no power. Wow. This is going to affect some business, isn't it? Wow, good luck if you come into Benidorm. I don't know how long this is going to take, but it's the whole of France, Spain and Portugal.
It's going to affect airports,
God knows what
trains.
That is.
Traffic lights are out, phone lines are down.
Wow. All the shops not got any power. I need some food. I'm starving, not eating yet. Can't get any food either. I think some of the shops are probably still serving, but it's all lights out in Spain. Everything's out. But obviously they can only take cash, and if you don't have a lot of cash on you, then you ain't going to get a lot. We're at the road, can't see the road, I'm not sure what this road is, but it's between the main strip beach and all of the lights are out. Look at this, it's crazy. Yes. All the lights are out. Thank you very much. What a day to be vlogging, eh? This doesn't happen very often, does it?
As in bombers.
Wow. It's just all going off in Benidorm. What is happening? Woo! It's crazy. It's mental, is it? Hard crossing the road even. Look, the cars are just... Look. Taking your life in your... And they're coming back the other way now. They're putting over down there. And if we can take a look what's happening. What I suspect is that this is for people that are stuck in lifts. They're getting back on the road. There are a lot of tall buildings in Benidorm. Now they're off again. Some of the hotels are even using their generators, you can see, on a diesel generator. How long will that last though? Who knows? Just having a walk down the strip now. If this carries on into the night, people are going to lose thousands of pounds. We do have an ATM working. That's probably powered from that generator. I've never seen Benidorm like this.
We were here in COVID.
Yeah, and we were in COVID as well, don't forget. Literally all the lights are off. Look. Bars are empty. Crazy. A lot of places are just cash only now, look. grab a bag of crisps or something. Let's just grab something from here and just. Oh wow. Hello.
Hola.
No power.
No power,
That
my
is-
friend. Too much problem.
Is it your fault? Not my fault. Not my fault.
I didn't do it.
How long will it take, do you think? Did they say how long it would take for the power?
Power 1 hour. But
One
I
hour.
don't know.
You don't know, yeah,
Don't know
yeah.
how long.
Okay. If this carries on later tonight, it will cost you money, won't it? Money.
Little speaking.
Yeah, yeah. Cool, cool. Thank you. Need to grab some food. So obviously they're expecting it to be business as usual. Later on they're setting out the shares for tonight. Like, where can we eat?
Hotels with generators, they're the only places that are going to have functioning
Nowhere has any food. Can't even say let's get drunk yet because I'm not eating, so I'm going to be on the floor. Hotel California, not letting the power cut stop the drinking. So we are at Benidorm Indoor Market. It's probably one of the only places we can get some food. We've only got warm Cornish pasties. So I've left my wallet in the hotel room. It's got about 400 quid in it as well.
on the 7th floor with no lift.
Yeah, it's on the 7th floor, so we've got to walk up 7 flights of stairs now. Not a great holiday, is it? Crazy here. Queues at reception, one lift working. So we're going to go up 7 floors. Not fun, it's your first day. Look. Oh God, I'm tired. I had to walk up 7 flights of stairs to get my wallet because I left it in the room. That's where I left it, and it's not there. You've got to be kidding me. Just found it in my bag. 7 flights of stairs for my wallet that I had with me all the time. I am so tired. This is not fun. At this hotel, we're not all inclusive, we're just bed and breakfast. So I just asked at the hotel to see if they can give us some food on that, and they said we have to pay 20 euros for food. It ends in like 20 minutes. So I need to think about what I'm doing. Don't know. Might have to just bite the bullet and do it. Thing is, we won't be able to claim back for it because if we want to be spending the money there, we'd have to spend it elsewhere, wouldn't we? So. Here we are, restaurant. It's hard work. The roads are going crazy right now. Everyone's cheering. They're already happy. The electric's just come back on. You can hear the people partying. And now we have power. And now we can enjoy our holiday again. Traffic lights have just come back on. Literally about 10 seconds ago. Going to celebrate the power coming on with a beer. Amstel. It's alright. It's not the best, but my favourite is Cruz Campo. And can you believe I cannot get Cruz Campo in Spain? It's a Spanish beer. What's all that about? So, power cut update. It is now the evening of the power cut. If I pan down, you'll be able to see everything in Levante side, and the strip is back on. But if you look over there, that was all lit up. So, and what I've seen on social media is that Old Town is still out, towards Old Town is still out. Levante side is all back on, as you can see. The strip is back on, so hopefully tomorrow back to normal. I was going to go down Tapas Alley and take a look, cheapest tapas and all that, but if they've been without power for about 12 hours, I don't want to take my chances and do that. I'm like, have they kept the stuff all cold enough? I'm not saying they haven't, but that's why I'm thinking. I just rather not take the chance, if you know what I mean. I'll do it in another video. It gives me another excuse to come back to sunny Benidorm. We just ate from Mariano's. If you don't know Mariano's, in Levante side, near the strip, if you like. Google it. Nowadays you've got maps. Mariano's is really good. There's such a wide, varied menu on offer. I just had chicken and chips. Lovely. And it's fresh chicken. You can see cooking chicken non-stop all throughout the day and night. Really nice. And that done me for tonight. So, with the food eating at Port Benidorm, just want to say thank you guys. The guys at Port Benidorm Hotel, they knew we couldn't get any food elsewhere. As you saw, we went around Benidorm and there was hardly anywhere to get any food at all. So we explained that to the staff and they said, don't worry about it, just go have some food. Even though we weren't all inclusive, we were just bed and breakfast. So well done to Port Benidorm. As you may have seen, I also made the press in Mirror, Star, MSN and BBC, a couple of other things. I was all over because I was doing the filming at the same time. Unfortunately, this taught me something. I need to bring my laptop with me. I couldn't edit the video until I came back. The problem is my laptop is a MacBook Pro and that's worth £3 grand. So do I want to be taking that with me abroad? Probably not. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I do know that quite a few of you watch the videos on TV, so what I've done, I've made you up a QR code right here. So get your phone out, scan this QR code, and that will take you straight to the YouTube channel, and you can subscribe from there. By subscribing, what you do is you really help the channel. It gets bigger and better. It will get more subscribers, and by you clicking subscribe, it gets shown to more people because it gets into this YouTube algorithm, and that makes it recommended to other people. Cheers, guys. There are a few more videos on Benidorm coming up. Until next time. Bye, guys.